Hi everyone, my name's Cheryl Host. I'm independent Stampin' Up demonstrator here in Sydney, Australia. How are you? It's the 28th of February and we've only got one day left of celebration. I am so sad because this has been the best celebration I've ever seen. And I'm so sad that it's going, because I've had so much fun playing with these things, and I still will, but I won't be able to show them to you because I like to show you the current products. But look, come and join. If you're going to spend $169 or more, please join Stampin' Up and become part of it. You can stay as long as you like. You know, you don't have to do anything else, but you get this wonderful gift. I wish I got it. I'm just devastated that I couldn't get it. And this is this Stampin' Glass Mat Studio, and it is 43.2 by 35.6 centimeters and 5 millimeters thick. And you get a silicone mat. You put your things in, and you get a cleaning cloth with it. And that's $106 you get free. Come on. If you're a crafter, this is just mind-blowing. Plus, option 2, if you don't want that, go, I've got one, I don't need it, da-da-da. Well, you can get $51 extra in your kit that you can pick yourself. You can't get Celebration, but you can get the new online exclusives if you join now. Also, you get to spend on your kit is $235 Australian, and it's free shipping. You don't pay for any shipping. You can get right up to the total. You can't go over $235, but you can do it. Please hit me up if you need to know anything, because this is too hot to handle, honestly. Anyway, and look at the paper. It's so gorgeous. And we're going to be using, I'll be using this paper here today, and we're going to be using I've cut out the tools. And it is, when you spend $90 in my store before shipping, you can get this paper. So obviously, if you get the Trusty tool bundle, I've got the stamp set because I'm using it for one thing, and you get the tool, the dies to go with it, you've got the paper. So don't waste, just do it today. Just do it. That's all I've got to say. Just do it, because you know, like, you've only got till tomorrow, and that's we've got this. So this is what we're going to do, and I'm going to make. I'll show you the card we're going to make. We're going to make this trifold. Okay, I did cover the back, but you don't need to because it covers like that. But I just did that one for just so I want the toolbox. But this is what we're going to make. Okay, so first of all, you need your paper trimmer. So I'll just get that cord out of the road. Hopefully I've got this all in camera. So you need your paper trimmer, and we need to cut it at 14.9. So we'll go right to the edge there, and we cut it. It's nice cuts. And keep the scrap because that's a good scrap to keep. And next we need 27 centimeters. So we get the ruler out, and we go down to 27 centimeters. Okay, and push it to the top of the board so you don't move it, and then cut. You've got another piece. So that's what you need. Now we're going to score at 4.5 centimeters. Just make sure I got that right. 4.5. 4.5. I like to be straight. Put that cutting blade right down there so you don't use it. And just do that. The next one is at 9 centimeters. Go there and there, and go to 9 centimeters. I'll have the inches laid down below, but because I use A4 cardstock and I use the metric system, so this is the way I do it when I'm cutting, but I'll have the imperial in the notes, in the description, sorry, below. And then the next one is 18 centimeters, so you get the gist of it. And the next one is 22.5 centimeters, so we'll bring that to there. And we've got all our score lines done. You probably can't see it, but that's the score lines. Okay, so I've got my lights on today, and I hope it's not too shiny because it's very, while I'm filming this, it's very dark, and we've been having a lot of thunderstorms. So now we're going to use the card this way at the 14.9 side, and we're going to go down 4 centimeters, okay? And then what we're going to do is cut from that score line to the end score line, and we're going to do that on both sides, okay? So we're going to get to the 4 centimeter, okay? Put that up there because we don't need it. Oops, I moved that. 4 centimeters, try and keep it straight. And I'm putting, sorry, I'm just getting a delivery. It's good because you can see the line there, and you just go straight up to the line, and you see that we've cut it. Then we just turn it around, and we're going to do the same thing, 4 centimeters. 4 centimeters. So we're going to get put on the line and bring it down there. So we've got it, the cut's done. Okay, so we'll put that away. So I didn't bore you too much. I've done the cutting of the DSP, but we'll go through that when we're finished. So we need our trusty bone folder. This is an essential tool, Stampin' Up! Seller. You can see that I've rubbed that off, and we're going to do, it doesn't really matter at this stage, but it's mountain and valleys, but they'll go in opposite directions, so we just do this for a moment, just so we get that nicely done. And you want to score this one. So that's what we've got. So these ones will go down, and this one has to go up. Okay, so this one goes down. These ones go up, sorry. These ones go up, and that one goes down. So, and it folds up like that. Okay, so now we just hit it. It reminds me of a Joe Cocker song, Hit It With My Rhythm Stick. You can see how well I am. Okay, so we've got all that done. Now it is just putting the pieces on, so the DSP. So I've got my DSP cut. I didn't think you'd want to watch me cutting that. So this one's at 4 centimeters by 14.4. So we're going to put that one there. And we've got another one here. It's good because it's non-directional, so we don't have to match it up. And that's the same size, so we're going to put that one there. And then we've got this one is 4 centimeters by 3.5. And we're going to put them, where are they? I'm going to put them on the small there, and then we've got this one is 3.5 centimeters by 8.5, and we're going to put that one there. And then we've got the same size, so that is 4 by 3.5, 4 by 3.5, and we've got that one at 3.5 by 8.5, so we've got that. Okay, so the center ones are going to be just a little bit different in size, so they're all cut at 6.2 centimeters by 4 is the 2 side bits, and this piece is cut at 6.2 by 8.5, and that goes in the middle. Okay, so we're killing it. And I've cut the basic white for the centerpiece, and that is at 8 centimeters by 5.5. I want that basic white, 8 by 5.5, and that will go in there. So let's start gluing, and we've got it all mapped out. So if you're doing directional, you would have to sort of cut the paper like that. Okay, so if you can, it's better not to. So I'll get my silicone mat out because I'm going to get glue everywhere. So just I'm just going to do it this way so I can see through the camera. Because my, oh God, strings everywhere. Okay, so I'm going to do that. Just trying to get it straight. Just glue. Stuff everywhere. I was spraying ribbon and I've got bits still everywhere. And this one's going to go here. I'm going to put this one, you just put it in the center. This one. It's not a very hard doing the it's called trifold card. It's just a bit fiddly, just getting all the papers. And it's fun decorating, things like that. It's true. No, I think I'm just going to be out of glue. Oops. Oops, I did run out. I'm lucky I had a spare. I didn't have a spare. I run 2 at a time for that reason, and I'm thank goodness, because I only had one. This is not going to work. Why aren't you working? It's not going to play with me. Alright, I'll get my this one. Maybe. Oops. Exactly. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to use glue for the rest of it. I don't like the Seal Plus. I just tear the paper. I don't know how to use it properly. See, you can see the paper at all. Okay. So there's threads everywhere. That's one thing when you... Dear. Okay. The project was worth it though. Okay. 2 to go. Alright, so we've got all our paper done, and we're just trying to train our fun fold to fold. So there you are, we've got it done. Now it's just putting some decorations on and stamping. So I'll do the stamping first. And where did this go? And I'm just going to use from the stamp set You're the Most Awesome. So ink it up. And just going to, oh, I think I need a bit more ink on there. It's not going to be total. And just press, don't rock. Don. And that can be glued on. So we've got that done. Now I'm going to just use my bit more precisioned glue, and we're just going to, I've got all these bits cut out, and we're just going to see where we want to put them. And that's, let's have a look. I've got a hammer somewhere. Then we can put the hammer across there. Got paintbrush. Oops. Sorry, as the fan's on. Got the other paintbrush. That's not very good cut now. I'll just cut that a little bit better. Some of this fussy cutting is done while I'm watching TV. I can put that there. I've got some tweezers things. Got a saw. Maybe you can put a saw down there. And maybe I'll put the clamp down here. And I've got the secateurs. I've got a screwdriver. No, it doesn't really fit there, does it? I'm going to put that, unless I put the screwdriver. No, I think I'll put the saw. Gives me a bit of different colours. Okay. Alright, I think that'll do. Now you can do whatever you want, sort of thing, in your decorations. You might want to stamp them, you can. You know, it's up to you what you want to do. I was just looking for quick and easy. So I'm just going to see if this works. I haven't clogged it up. This is really good because it gives you the multi-purpose glue just a bit finer. And I got these from Amazon. You get 4 in a packet. And you just fill up your bottle. So it's a bottle of multi-purpose glue. Doesn't fill it right to the brim, but that was pretty well. It's been so much fun playing with these papers. Honestly, if you haven't got it, you should get it. There's great mail cards, you know, perfect mail cards. Or female. You know, you can do whatever. You might have the handy. We're starting to do painting the house and that, so it's a big job, especially when it's 2-story. It's going to be fun, but it's mainly brick. It's just all the, you know, the little bits and pieces, because it's like a Federation front home, so it's got a lot of woodwork. So, fun and games I will be having. Let's see if it ever stops raining. Okay, I think I like that big saw down there. I've got that, and I'll just put the lid on that so I don't clog it up. And I think I might use these. So, what do you think? We've got this done. So I mean, you don't need it on the back. Excuse me. As I said, I always cough when. So we're going to put a couple. I like putting 2 there. 2, 3. He's going to have a few, I think. These are, I can use them up because these are also a celebration. They're opaque faceted gems. So with a $90 order before shipping, you can get these beautiful gems for free. They're awesome. Awesome. So, I'm going to put some on the sides here. I think I've used about 11. Why not? It's for the man in your house. Why not? So I hope you like that. It's a trifold card. I wanted to do it mainly, as I said, I'd use A4, but I do in metric because we never see many metric items. So it just makes it easier for the rest of the world. So there you are, the trifold card. I hope you enjoy it. And remember, there's only today and tomorrow left of celebration. So get in there and get it as quick as you can. See you later. Bye. My store details also are down below. Thank you. Give me a thumbs up. There are thumbs up, and I'd love you to subscribe. While I'm filming this, it's only a couple of days away. I've got 99. I would like one more to get to 100, and then I've got 900 to go. Now I've got 901 to go before I can do lives. So see you later. Bye. Have a great day.